Linking a bank account to your Interactive Brokers account is a straightforward process that allows for easy fund transfers. Follow these steps to successfully link your bank account. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Interactive Brokers account by visiting the website and logging in with your credentials. Ensure you have your account information handy. Step 2. Navigate to Account Management. Once logged in, locate the Account Management section. This is typically found in the main menu or dashboard of your account interface. Step 3. Select Bank Accounts. In the Account Management section, look for an option labeled Bank Accounts or Funding. Click on this option to proceed to the bank account linking page. Step 4. Add a new bank account. On the Bank Accounts page, select the option to add new bank account. You will need to enter your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and the bank's name. Step 5. Verify your bank account. After entering your bank details, Interactive Brokers may require you to verify the account. This could involve confirming small test deposits made by Interactive Brokers into your bank account. Follow the instructions provided to complete the verification process. Once you have completed these steps, your bank account should be linked to your Interactive Brokers account, allowing for seamless transfers. If you encounter any issues, refer to the help section or customer support for assistance.